broken into the and comes to make a sound, and is somewhere to make a sound, and an orgasm and vomit, and an orgasm
Ladies and
and
gentlemen, do you
vomit.
realize there is an exchange? Ladies and gentlemen, do you realize there is an exchange with the undertaking down coming in with an alternate off? My stick is if change is not true, you know, it's a very odd anomaly, and none of us are enjoying it. It's a very odd anomaly, and none of us are enjoying it. So we figure out how to turn it off. And just for a few more moments, so we figure out how to turn it off. Thank you.
Who is having a puke yank? Who is having a puke yank?
We're looking into things to try and mitigate that. If we can, if not, we'll get it down.
Now they're getting creative.